Today we're going to show you how to create easy release forms with Easy Release Form. Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here. Welcome to iPad 365, the show where we look at apps to keep your iPad in play. Of course, it's Wednesday. We have a nice utility for you and a great way for you to get permission for somebody to use somebody's likeness, or maybe just to fill out a simple contract form. A lot of other cool stuff, and we're going to show that to you in a second here. First of all, iPad 365 is the Twitter handle. Feel free to go over there and tweet me. Add me as a friend and let me know that you did it, and I will add you as a friend as well. iPad365show@gmail.com is the email address if you'd like to email me and ask any type of question, or send a video of your review of an iPad app or any device or any extra item that you might find useful for an iPad. And then, of course, the website, we got the URL iPad-365, iPad-365.com. You can go over there and check that out. Of course, it goes over to Geekazine.com/iPad365. And then check out all the previous episodes, like yesterday's episode when we talked about Magic the Gathering, which was pretty cool. All right. So check this out. Maybe you are a person that needs to get permission to use somebody's maybe likeness or something like that. Maybe you're in the video realm. Maybe you're in the maybe in your podcast realm or something like that, and you want to have these forms to say, okay, we're going to be releasing this with your name attached to it. Are you okay with it? If you're a movie person, this is going to be great for you because you can get extras to sign off on release forms easily. You can do more than releases. You can create contracts and other stuff, but the idea is release forms on this. And the name of the application is simply called Easy Release Forms, and you can check it out in the iPad store. It is not a free application. It does cost $9.99, but if you are looking for an easy way to get people's permission to have them be in a film or a TV show or something like that, it's all worth that $10 right there. This is how it works. We started with Easy Release. Of course, it's very blank. We hit a plus button and we say, what type of release do we want to do? Do we want to do a model release or do we want to do a properly release? We do model, and we're given info here, like for instance, this shoot name. We'll call this iPad 365. We'll give it a reference ID of I3651. We'll just do it that way. Shoot country, United States, and then the region state, we're in Wisconsin, so we'll do that. And of course the date. And of course you can fill that all out and add and remove different stuff as you go. So we've now created our basic form. It doesn't have too much into it, but we can add and remove stuff as we go. Like for instance, let's go into the Easy Release. We'll go into the name. It says it's incomplete. Let's go over here. We've got the shoot info. We've got the name and the date. We go to the next button. We can put in the model's name, Jeffrey Powers, and address here in Madison, Wisconsin. Contact info, Geekazine. I'm sorry, iPad 365 show @gmail.com, and of course phone number, parent, any other stuff that we need to add there. Now we can hit next button, and in the next area we see a picture that we can take. And of course you're seeing my equipment right now. As I flip the camera over here, I'll take a nice picture of me. There we are. And then we'll use that picture. That picture will then get attached to the form. And then if we need a witness, we can say me for a witness, and then hit next. And there we've created the basics of the form. Now we can add in our own stuff. We can remove like witnesses and stuff like that. You can also create your own nomenclature. So let's say the standard form is not what you want to see in there. You can put in your own form by creating your own PDF and putting in different things. Notes area, of course. So if there's any special notes like can't use this video on Sundays. To the signature, ready to sign. We go to the photo log, and of course this is where they can sign here. So I'll go J, that's my signature. Of course that's not my real signature. And then of course parent, if there's a parent that needs to do a model release, they have to sign here, so they'll sign here. And then of course the witness, if there was a witness onto this form, And of course, like I said, you can add or remove that. So the witness signs here, and then you hit done. And now your form is ready to send. So you can send it off to the email address. You can print it. You can create it as a PDF and send it off. You want to see the form. Here's how the form comes out. So, of course, you got the model release on the right side. You see the photo. Of course, all the signatures, all the information, all the words that you need, all the lorem ipsums and stuff like that. And of course, that thing is ready to send. And it's just as simple as that. And you can have it right at a photo shoot or a video shoot. I first learned about this last year when I did a interview for a show, and they made me sign this release. I got it back in PDF a couple months later when the video actually came out. It's pretty cool. So once again, it's called Easy Release Forms. You can find it in the App Store. It is $9.99, but for the price, you could probably make up in time for that easily. All right, and that's this episode of iPad 365. My name is Jeffrey Powers. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for listening to the show, or if you're listening to it on Stitcher Internet Radio. We will be back with another episode of iPad 365, and we're going to be taking a look at a lot more apps. Of course, if you want to send me any of your ideas for apps, Twitter me at iPad365. Email me, iPad365show@gmail.com. You can even send a video of yourself reviewing an app and show me what you like, what you don't like about it. All right, thanks a lot for watching. My name is Jeffrey Powers. We'll see you once again when it will be another episode of iPad 365. And until then, you guys geek out. You should follow Graphite on Twitter at GraphiteINC. All right, thanks a lot for watching. My name is Jeffrey